But the cool thing about cryotherapy is usually they can at least have them come back again for like a different package, like have them buy a package or at least one more session.
Okay. So I'll tell you the big problem I've experienced now with 3 cryotherapy companies. So now that I'm 3 for 3 on this negative skill that I've seen them develop, I'm willing to bet that majority of people are doing it. Okay. Just because I'm three for 3 are doing this. So right now, especially the most recent one, they've all done it, but the most recent one is the most guilty because I literally bought her biggest package was $300. It was like 10 sessions for $300. She didn't have anything bigger than that. Or 350. That's what it was, 350. And I said, "Hey, can I give you $600 and you give me 20?" And she goes, "Yeah." For me, it was great because I got a little bit of a savings, but more it was that I wanted to be committed to going back, right? Like over and over. I wanted to keep doing it. Do you know that that was 3 months ago and I've still only given her $600? I was okay to pay her $600 a month. My plan was to go there almost every day. Now it's been 3 months and I have not given her another dollar. And I still have probably like 6 or 8 sessions left. And that could have all been prevented if after every session she asks me, "When are we going to get the next one? Let's lock it in the calendar right now." And then as I'm locking it in, if she's smart, she goes, "Okay, awesome. So Tuesday at 4, great. What about the next one? You want to just get the next week out of the way? What do you think about Wednesday or Thursday?" "Yeah, Thursday." "Okay, cool. And you want to do a Saturday?" I'm here till 1. "Yeah, okay. So we got you in tomorrow. We got you in Thursday. We got you in Saturday. Do you even want to look at the next week or you just want to kind of make the decision maybe on Saturday?" "Yeah." And so now what happens is routine is every time I finish, I'm already booking the whole next week. She could have had $1,800 and she got 6. She left $1,200 on the table by not implementing this, and that's just in 2 months. You do that by the end of the year, she probably left around 5 to 7 grand on the table, and that's just me. That's just me. You see what I'm saying?